This is the 15th video and last video in the Beginning Artificial Intelligence series. In this video, I'm going to summarize what I hoped you got out of the series and what future series and videos may be on. In this series, I mainly covered programming artificial intelligence. I showed what it looked like to use APIs like NumPy, Keras, and TensorFlow. I also often showed examples using my PAI-Utils package from image manipulation using the image module you can see here, and the reinforcement module to do DQN agents and other reinforcement learning. So therefore, I hope that you have learned the basics of NumPy, Keras, and TensorFlow, and in addition, how to use my PAI-Utils package. I do not expect that you have learned a lot of theory about AI or machine learning, or even how to do advanced projects, but I do expect that you have learned the basics. Now for theory regarding AI, I recommend a couple playlists. This playlist here shows neural networks. It goes into depth about neural networks, and you can see it has 92 videos about neural networks. So if you want to get into the theory of neural networks and really understand what a neural network is like, I would recommend watching this playlist. Another playlist I would recommend is this playlist. This playlist is lecture based and goes into theory and can go into quite advanced theory for machine learning and artificial intelligence. And the last is this playlist. This playlist can show you some pretty cool things about AI, and it's pretty interesting and can spark your interest more into deep learning and artificial intelligence. Okay, so that is everything for this series, and in future series I plan to show advanced projects, show how to code it, and add some theory for the context. However, in the near future I do not plan to make videos on the theory. If you want theory, you can definitely read research papers or watch these playlists I've recommended, and you can also read some articles, but sometimes articles can give you some incorrect theory. Nevertheless, feel free to ask questions on the Discord channel about theory, and this is the end of the series. Goodbye.